Hello viewers, this is Mohammad Sanaullah. I will tell you the 3 websites from where you can download all the free copyright images for your YouTube channel or website, and you can easily use for the commercial and personal use. So let's get started. So the first website is the unsplash.com, where you can check the variety of the images. You can download all type of free images. Like I am searching here 3, you will get the variety of the images. Click on the image, you don't need to make any account, just click on the download free. Click allow and click the download free. So it will be downloaded here. You can open and check the resolution here. Also you can choose the large, small, medium, large dimensions from this drop down menu. Just click on the image and open the image, how it looks like. So as you can see the pixels, it's a high resolution pic. I downloaded from the unsplash.com website, where you can download all the free copyright free images for free. So the second website is pexels.com. It's same like the Unsplash website, where you will download all the free copyright free images for your personal or commercial use. So I'm entering the same keyword tree. Millions of images here, you can download it for free. Like if you are a YouTuber, then you can make the documentary website, or if you're a vlogger, you can use these all the images for your YouTube videos. So just click on the any image, click on the drop down menu, or here you can select the dimensions, click on the free download. Don't need to do anything, just allow your browser to download the image. So it's a too much heavy image, like 7 MB. Click the image to view, is it a full high resolution or not. Just zoom in to check the resolutions. So as you can see, the high resolution pictures I downloaded from the pexels.com, where you can use for the personal and commercial use. Here's the third website, pexels.com. It's same like the other websites, but here you will get different pictures, different images from the other websites like pexels.com. Just write the same keyword tree and hit enter. Like as you can see here, a lot of images on the keyword of tree. Just click on any image to download it. Same as like you can choose the pixels from the options. Just click on the free download option. So here as you can see, you can use this free for commercial use, no attribution required. But if you want to give the title, like you download it from this, who's the name, Bessie, it will be appreciated. Just click on the free downloaded option. You will get the dimension. So I'm downloading in the 1280 by 852. Just click on download button, attempt the capture, and click on the download button. Just click on the image to check the image is in high resolution or not. You can check the resolution of the image is too much high resolution image, and you can use it for the commercial and personal use. If you like this video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.